Do you feel like you've tried everything to lose weight, but nothing has worked? If so, this information affects you directly. Because even if you've been dieting and exercising, you've probably been tricked into eating fattening foods that can lead to weight gain. How? Because these foods are marketed as health foods. According to new research, there are 3 so-called health foods that can actually make you gain weight. One of these foods even contains an ingredient that's banned in almost every first world country, except the US, where it is still legal. These foods are likely in your cupboards right now, and they could be sabotaging your weight loss goals. If you would like to learn more about which foods you should absolutely avoid in order to keep that weight off, then visit our website at healtheasyfix.com. Or click our link in the bio to watch the rest of this quick video on faster weight loss. Once you cut these foods out of your diet, you'll be shocked at how quickly the pounds start to melt away.